Library as an institution. An institution is an established organization or system created by society to perform specific functions and fulfill particular needs of people. Institutions are structured bodies that operate according to certain rules, norms, and objectives. Examples of institutions include educational institutions, political institutions, religious institutions, and social organizations. These institutions play an important role in maintaining order, promoting development, and supporting the intellectual and cultural growth of society. Information and knowledge are the major driving forces in the development of society. Human beings collect information from different sources and convert it into knowledge to improve their lives and living standards. In the early stages of human history, knowledge was preserved and transmitted through oral traditions, where elders passed information to the next generation through speech and memory. However, as human knowledge expanded, oral methods became insufficient for preserving large amounts of information. To overcome this difficulty, people developed the method of recording knowledge through writing. Written records, such as manuscripts and documents, helped in preserving knowledge in a more reliable and permanent form. As societies and civilizations developed, the volume of recorded knowledge increased rapidly. At the same time, different types of institutions such as educational, cultural, administrative, political, and religious organizations emerged. These institutions contributed greatly to the intellectual and cultural development of society. A major turning point in the history of knowledge preservation and dissemination was the invention of printing technology. Printing made it possible to produce books and documents in large numbers and distribute them widely among people. As the production of books increased, there was a growing need to collect, organize, preserve, and provide access to these knowledge resources. This need led to the development. A library is therefore considered an important social and educational institution that collects, organizes, preserves, and disseminates information and knowledge. It provides access to books, journals, manuscripts, and other information resources to support education, research, and learning. Libraries serve students, teachers, researchers, and the general public by facilitating the use of knowledge for personal and social development. Thus, the library as an institution plays a vital role in preserving human knowledge and making it accessible to society. It supports intellectual growth, promotes learning, and ensures that knowledge is passed on to future generations.